Definition and utility of accounting. Accounting. Definition of accounting. Accounting has been defined as the process of systematically recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions and events in terms of money and interpreting results thereof. Language of business. Accounting is the language of business. It involves identifying, measuring, and presenting economic information about a business in such a way that the users of the information can form an opinion about the business.